Let us solve the equation a to the power 4 equal to a minus 1 to the power 4. We can do it by two different methods. We'll do by easier method first. So we write it as a to the power 4 minus of a minus 1 to the power 4 equal to 0. This can be written as a square whole thing square minus of a minus 1 square again whole thing square equal to 0 as it is. This is an expression of the type a square minus b square. So this can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So this is equal to a square minus of a minus 1 whole thing square whole thing into a square plus of a minus 1 whole thing square equal to 0 as it is. Further, this can be written as, again we can apply a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b, or we can simply expand a minus 1 whole thing square. Let's expand it. A minus 1 whole thing square is a square, so minus a square minus 2a and minus will make it plus 2a. Minus 1 whole thing square is 1, but you have minus outside, so minus 1. So you can cancel a square and a square out. What about this one? We can simply add it. A square plus a square will get 2a square minus 2a plus 1 equal to 0. Now we have product of two numbers equal to 0. So one of them has to be 0. We don't know which one. So either 2a minus 1 equal to 0 or 2a square minus 2a plus 1 equal to 0. If 2a minus 1 equal to 0, then a equal to half. But what about other one? This is a quadratic equation, so roots are given by a equal to minus b, so plus 2 plus minus root over b square minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 2. 2 into 2. So a equal to 2 plus minus root over 4 minus 8, that is minus 4 by 4. And that's equal to 2 plus minus 2i by 4, and that's equal to 1 plus minus I by 2. Therefore, values of a are given to be a equal to half, comma 1 plus I by 2, comma 1 minus I by 2. Is there another method of doing it? Yes. But it's a bit difficult. Let's do it. First we observe that a to the power 4 minus a minus 1 to the power 4 equal to 0. And you further observe that if you take a equal to half, then you get half to the power 4, and a equal to half, then you get minus half to the power 4, and they are equal. So a equal to half is a solution. Further, this we can write it as a to the power 4 minus of, we can expand a minus 1 whole thing square is a square minus 2a plus 1, again whole thing square. That gives us a to the power 4 minus a plus b plus c whole thing square. So a to the power 4 plus 4a square plus b square plus c square minus 2 into a square into 2a plus 2a square minus 2 into 2a equal to 0. You can cancel a to the power 4, and you can cancel minus as well. Just take minus to the right hand side. So you have, let's multiply by minus b because you have a cube term here. 4a cube plus 4a square plus 2a square makes you 6a square. So minus 6a square minus minus plus 4a minus 1 equal to 0. We know that a equal to half is a root of this equation. So what we do is we factor out half. If I want to take half as a factor, so 4a cube, sorry, we want to factor a minus half, so minus, if I take 4a common, minus 2a square. If I take 4a common, you will get, 4a square common, you will get 4a square common, you will get a minus half here. But when I write minus 2a square, I have to adjust this quantity. So we will write minus 4a square. So minus minus plus, minus 2 and minus 4 will give it minus 6. But once again, I want a minus half common, so plus 2a. When I take something common, 4a common, minus 4a common, I'll get a minus half, yes. But when I write 2a here, I should further write plus 2a minus 1. So is this equal to this? 2a plus 2a, 4a, minus 2 and minus 4 gives you minus 6, yes. This implies, once again we take, instead of taking a minus half, just take 2a square common, and you are left out with 2a minus 1, and then here minus 2a common. From this expression we take minus 2a common. From this expression 2a square common. When I take minus 2a common, you are left out with 2a minus 1. Lastly, you take 1 common and you are left out with 2a minus 1 equal to 0 as it is. So once again, instead of taking a minus half common, we took 2a minus 1 common. It's a bit easier. So 2a minus 1 whole thing into 2a square minus 2a plus 1 equal to 0. Of course, once again, if product of two numbers equal to 0, then one of them has to be 0. So 2a minus 1 equal to 0, or 2a square minus 2a plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, we got exactly the same expression. So a equal to half comma 1 plus I by 2 comma 1 minus I by 2, and we are done.